How much do you anticipate the January price of Tesla stock will be? It is presently trading below 200. Given how unpredictable Tesla stock seems to be, experts find it difficult to forecast the company's long-term stock price. However, analysts do project how much Tesla's stock price will rise in the upcoming months. Watch carefully so you don't miss this information. Tesla's stock price began 2022 at 352.26 and closed at 179.82 today, indicating a 49% reduction from the start of the year. 209 is the predicted price of Tesla at the end of 2022, with negative year-over-year fluctuations. The price of a Tesla will increase by 41 from now to year's end plus 16 in the first half of 2023, reaching $246. In the second half, the price will increase by $54, closing the year at $300, a 67% increase from the current price. Tesla recently revealed that it would reduce its output from its Shanghai facility by more than 20% in December 2022, compared to its output in November 2022. This announcement coincides with China's stringent implementation of a zero-COVID policy, which has sparked demonstrations across the nation. It is unclear if the Tesla Shanghai plant's full capacity of 85,000 units per month would have a significant effect on the company's overall Q4 production. What is clear as of right now, though, is how Musk's acquisition of Twitter has affected Tesla shares. On October 27, 2022, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, completed the acquisition of Twitter for a reported $44 billion. In his recent Twitter post, Elon removed key executives, including the CEO, after the $44 billion deal was completed, making it one of the most overpaid mergers in history, according to a Wedbush analyst. To finance the deal, venture capitalist Elon Musk sold $15 billion worth of Tesla stock. Now that the acquisition is complete, Musk will not sell any more Tesla stock, which is a relief for Tesla shareholders. As a result, analysts are anticipating an increase in the stock price, but some worries about Musk's ability to manage Tesla, SpaceX, Twitter, and his other businesses simultaneously still exist. Since the deal's announcement, Tesla stock, which has already dropped by 43% during the previous year, has lost almost 34% of its value. Tesla's market capitalization has dropped from $1.14 trillion in April to $718 billion. It's also important to note that Twitter expects to pay $1.2 billion in interest on its debt annually, and this amount will rise as interest rates rise. Musk's other main objective is to boost Twitter's revenue and profits, and analysts predict that the company may not turn a profit until 2025. Although Musk has a few tricks up his sleeve, the company is beginning to prioritize the Tesla Cybertruck and Tesla vehicle under $35,000. The company stated that Musk's focus on Tesla may be significantly reduced, which can affect its future and much to the dismay of investors. Twitter is struggling and needs Musk's full attention to fix. Tesla has begun to make indications about the upcoming release of the new Cybertruck in the upcoming year. Given the current level of brand devotion, this might be a huge success. The Model S marked the beginning of the commercial vehicle production line for Tesla, but it has been observed that the company only really took control of the market after mass-producing the less expensive Model 3 sedans, which happened about 5 years later. The demand for this has also increased significantly in light of the company's current slow growth and concerning inflation rates, which have made it necessary for customers to be able to purchase Teslas at a lower cost amid recessionary fears. Elon Musk stated that Tesla expects strong orders in Q4 and to sell all the cars produced. The company attributed transportation issues as the primary reason for the shortfall in deliveries, which is becoming more and more expensive. Tesla may see a slowdown in demand for its EVs. The management of Tesla continues to aggressively prepare to ramp up production in new plants like in Shanghai, believing that they have a large supply. Analysts in Austin and Berlin feel that Tesla has never before encountered a macroeconomic slowdown of this magnitude. They predict that the current environment will put the company to the test, and that moving forward into 2023, its strategy for improving inventory management will be crucial. Adam Jonas, a Morgan Stanley analyst, downgraded Tesla's price target from $383 to $350 on Monday, but he kept the stock with an overweight rating in mid. October, given the ongoing production challenges, some people think that this valuation after Tesla management formally reveals its plans for a stock repurchase, things might get better. Investors at Tesla are pleading with Elon Musk, the company's CEO, and the board of directors to contemplate repurchasing shares as the stock plummets to a 2-year low. Since reaching its peak a year ago, Tesla's market capitalization has decreased by about $700 billion, and the stock is currently trading below 200. Musk stated on Tesla's Q3 earnings call that the company is likely to undertake a significant buyback next year, potentially costing between $5 and $10 billion. However, he clarified that the decision to repurchase shares from the market would rest with the Tesla board because doing so would decrease the number of outstanding shares that are available, increasing the ownership stake of current shareholders since prices typically rise in response to a decrease in the share supply. Tesla bull and influential person Alexandra Mers have started a Change.org petition to support a quick repurchase before the year ends. According to Mers, by doing this, Tesla would be able to take advantage of its extremely cheap stock price right now. and avoid paying the 1% excise tax that any buybacks that over $1 million will have to pay by January 1st, 2023. A stock repurchase, according to rumours and other investors, would demonstrate confidence in Tesla's future performance and distribute money to shareholders. I'm a big supporter of Tesla and a former investor, but I had to go to the dark side to protect my capital. As one petitioner, of which there are 5,807 at the moment, stated, since I started shorting the stock, I've recovered around half of my losses. I think Tesla will expand in the long run, but before I invest in it again, I need to see some action from the board. A good repurchase would demonstrate the board's confidence that Tesla is still a wise choice. The investors are fervently hoping that as 2022 draws to a close, Tesla stock may be able to recover from the dip, despite the fact that experts believe that Tesla is a good stock to buy for one reason. Tesla stock has noticeably dropped recently for a number of reasons, including decreasing investor confidence in Musk to run the company effectively. Tesla's research and development capabilities are exceptional. The company has effectively navigated around chip shortages by delivering multiple innovations. Experts believe that the EV sector will continue to grow and Tesla will be a huge beneficiary as it continues to be in the lead. Tesla is significantly well ahead of its competitors in terms of technology in EV manufacturing. In a note released in mid-September, Deutsche Bank analyst Emmanuel Rosner said he believes the rally in Tesla, the stock, is just beginning with several likely drivers for the company in 2023. This is because Tesla was able to manage chip shortages by replacing the chips with substitutes and rewriting its firmware, which allowed it to manage production far more efficiently than most manufacturers. With the Cybertruck and Semi, Pace expands into new markets and maximizes its manufacturing footprint. The act to reduce inflation also helps Pace by lowering costs and increasing demand. Rosner stated that there is a lot of space for street expectations for 2023 will be revised upward in light of these variables, with additional room for growth in the gross margin from complete autonomy in driving with every 5% increase worldwide take rate on new sales results and an additional 80 basis points of gross margin, which is not what our base case scenario predicts. Wall Street attributes the increase to hope for new laws that will facilitate the implementation of EVs in 2023 and beyond. Investor sentiment has improved about Tesla as a result of the company's outstanding performance in the first 2 quarters of this year. In August, the stock had a modest costs for the company in 2023. Longer term, as volume increases, we see greater opportunity to increase operating margins and more room to improve gross margin because of its pricing power. Rosner stated that we still think Tesla is one of the most compelling tales in the automotive industry. Superior arrangement of costs, excellent performance, securing supply, and now creating more significant capacity to support significant growth for more content on Tesla stocks. Please subscribe to our channel.